Today, we're making a gentle, nourishing potato and carrot puree soup cooked in a rice broth. This dish is perfect for anyone with a sensitive stomach or recovering from mild gastritis. Each ingredient is chosen to be soothing, easy to digest, and supportive of your digestive health. First, cook 30 grams of rice in 1.5 cups of water until it is very soft. Rice is naturally bland and produces a gentle, starchy broth that coats the stomach lining and helps reduce irritation.
While the rice cooks, boil 100 grams of potatoes and 75 grams of carrots until they are tender. Potatoes provide soft, easily digestible starch and a soothing texture, while carrots bring gentle sweetness, beta-carotene, and vitamins that help repair and protect the stomach lining.
Once cooked, mash the potatoes and carrots until smooth. This step removes any fibrous texture, making the soup gentle for the stomach to process. Now, combine the vegetable puree with the cooked rice and its starchy broth. The rice adds extra creaminess and thickness, making the soup even more comforting. Pour in 200 grams of hot milk and stir well. Milk adds extra protein and calories for recovery while being soft on the stomach. Off the heat, stir in half an egg yolk for added nutrition, especially B vitamins and gentle fats.
Finally, add 20 grams of butter for a rich taste and smooth texture. Serve warm with optional small white bread croutons for extra comfort. This soup is perfect for healing, hydrating, and nourishing your body while keeping your stomach calm.
Eat slowly, enjoy each spoonful, and remember, gentle, wholesome food can be a powerful tool for recovery. Wishing you good health and a calm, happy stomach.